yeah, I hear about the remains.
That's him, right over there.
You alright?
Yeah. You can see there's lots of details here. We got things like ticket vending machines and that's one of the little California travels which we get all the time. Moving up a little, hang on, this could be the big one. On the left, look out! Please remain in your seats and stand by for on the right corner. Look at the seat. Here's what the effect looks like in the Bones episode.
What's going on?
Let's get out of here! The water main just broke!
Earthquake the big one. A simulation of an 8.3 on the Richter scale. That's what's known as a mechanical effect in Hollywood, and it was certainly one of major magnitude. Now, our tram is going to take us all the way back east. We're going to head off to the New England town of Amity Island, the same town that was terrorized by a 25-foot-long great white shark, the locals nicknamed Jaws. For years, the shark ruled the waters in Amity. He crippled the town's tourist economy and left a path of death and destruction in his wake. But I understand now the people of Amity are breathing a sigh of relief because they finally caught the famous shark. In fact, Amity police divers are actually in the water right now doing a final check of the harbor before reopening the beaches to tourists. So, there's Amity, and wait a minute. This shark doesn't look 25 feet long, it looks more like 14 or 15 feet. You know, these fishermen do tend to sometimes exaggerate the truth. Yeah, they'll be all, I caught one that was this big. Yeah, they should be saying, look at the big fin of the water. Oh, look, that fin of the water. A fin! Wait a minute, the diver is still out there. We're gonna warn him. Oh, there he is. Sir, you gotta get back on the boat. Now, out of the water, look out for them, but we're too late. The shark has got him. What do you do? Help! Police! Oh, we are the police. Everyone please. Please remain seated at all times as we make our way across the dock. I think our boys have caught the wrong shark. The real Jaws is still out there somewhere. For all we know, it could be right under this pier. I know the big plastic shark does look kind of phony up close. He's much more reliable, though, than was Bruce, the mechanical star of the movie Jaws.
That's a much maligned shark. The shark was frustrating. It didn't really work all the time. It didn't work hardly at all.
Wherever you were on the island, you could hear the radio lines. And they were always saying, the shark is not working. Repeat, the shark is not working.
We just waited around. We just waited and waited and waited. The shark worked well enough. For a while there, it had to take us all time. So I really owe the shark a lot.
In case you're wondering, Bruce the shark from